Are you tired of spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars to expensive e-com store builders like Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, GoDaddy, etc., just to set up a basic e-commerce store to sell products online? Does building an e-com store feel like an overwhelming and expensive task filled with technical headaches and endless frustration? If yes, then I have a solution for you. See, business owners globally are paying anywhere between $675 to $985 yearly to e-com store builder platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, GoDaddy, etc. for getting basic stores to sell products. But even after paying so much, they're not getting the desired results they deserve and are eagerly looking for technology that serves them in a cost-effective manner. So, if you're willing to use artificial intelligence to create profitable e-com stores that lets you sell digital products, physical products, and affiliate products for top dollar with no tech skills or a huge investment, stay tuned to this short but very informative video. But before moving forward, let me share some mind-blowing numbers to amaze you. Global e-commerce sales will total $6.33 trillion worldwide in 2024. 2.71 billion people around the globe are making online purchases from dedicated e-commerce platforms. There are over 26.6 million e-commerce stores globally. More than 78% B2B marketers will boost their e-com store creation expenditure in 2025. 80% of B2B sales interactions will occur on digital channels by Q3 2024. 83% of people do their research online before visiting in store. So if you're an affiliate marketer, email marketer, product creator, SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone operating in the digital marketing arena and looking to grab your share from this huge untapped opportunity, I've got some great news for you today. Introducing StorePal AI. World's first AI app that lets you create profitable e-com stores in just 60 seconds flat without any coding skills or monthly fees, and allows you to sell physical products, digital products, and affiliate products for top dollar. It also comes with Amazon-like store preloaded with ready-to-sell thousands of hot products and keep 100% in profit. Finally, say goodbye to all expensive e-com store builders like Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, GoDaddy, and more. Why pay hefty monthly fees? $29, $49, even $99 per month. That's over $1,000 a year for something you could get right now for a small one-time fee. You are just 3 easy steps away to launch your first profitable e-com store with the help of StorePal AI. Number 1, log into StorePal AI. Number 2, create your first profitable e-com stores. Number 3, publish and profit. Here are some of its amazing features. First, Universe Technology creates your first profit-pulling Amazon-like e-com stores in under 60 seconds. Robust AI tech smartly creates fully functional e-com stores in hottest niches in minutes. Sell thousands of profitable digital products, physical products, and inbuilt Amazon products in 3 clicks. Monetize instantly using premium PayPal and other leading payment gateways. Tap into the huge $6.33 trillion e-com industry with zero grunt work at your end. Create premium self-updating e-com stores that rank high on Google with no third-party dependency. Advanced, easy-to-use drag-and-drop store builder bids. Goodbye to complex tools forever. AI creates user-friendly, mobile-responsive, and visually appealing stores on the go. Writes SEO-friendly product descriptions like a breeze. Adds blogs to your store to boost content marketing and SEO. Manage product variant like sizes, colors, and images. Inventory management to track stock levels in real time. Use categories, tags, and collections for easy navigation. Sell in multiple currencies with automatic exchange rates. Set up custom shipping rates for different countries' regions. Modify meta tags, alt text, and product descriptions for SEO. Create custom discounts and promo codes. Track performance of individual products and collections. Detailed insights into customer behavior with order history. Track a real time of your sales, orders, and online store traffic. Inbuilt free SSL certificate to secure your store. Say goodbye to expensive e-com builders like Shopify and more. Send inbox-friendly emails to your all customers. Battle-tested AI technology sends 100% buy-ready traffic to your e-com stores without even lifting your finger. Create FOMO using exclusive discount coupons and promotional campaigns. Stop searching for reliable freelance designers or store creation tools today, and tons of other features when you grab your copy today. And the best part? Once you have
StorePal AI.
No need to pay expensive designers or freelancers. No need to pay expensive e-com store builders. No need to spend week, even months for setting up e-com stores. No need any coding or tech skills. No need to pay a huge expensive monthly fee. So, ready to launch your dream e-com store in just a few clicks? Click the button below and get access to
StorePal AI
e-com store builder for a fraction of what you'd pay elsewhere. Don't miss this unbeatable offer. Your online business is waiting. And I haven't mentioned the coolest part. Only for the early action takers, we're offering a limited time commercial license to provide top-notch AI e-com store creation services to tons of hungry customers and keep 100% of the profits yourself. But hurry! Don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Why waste hundreds, even thousands of dollars on platforms that charge you every single month? Shopify, $29 to $299 a month. Wix, up to $49 a month. All that adds up quickly, and that's before